Hello everyone and lovely to seeing you today. In this video, I would like to sharing you the good news about entry to Thailand. We are approaching to the period is a real endemic period and also end of the Thailand pass. In this video, I will sharing you who still requiring the Thailand pass to enter to Thailand and who else are not requiring anymore. It will be very useful if you are entering in Thailand. And at the end of the video, I will give you some tips as well that whoever already entered to Thailand and would like to stay longer for 60 days. And this will be very good news for you, so keep watching until the end. Sawadika, hello everyone and welcome to Sawasdee Thailand. Lovely to seeing you back to the office today. Very good news and big great news about the Thailand pass. This one relating to the CCSA announcement on the 20th of May. I know this is last a few days ago, but I'm sure this one will be most updating. This video will be the most updating after the CCSA have made the announcement on the 20th. This one will be relating to directly to your entry to Thailand because right now the Thai government are easing and loosen up more and more until because we are approaching the real time of the endemic, the phase of declining of the cases, everything. So the Thai government is deciding to cancel the Thailand pass at this stage. For first of all, I would like to mention that for Thai people and for Thais who living abroad and willing to coming to Thailand, there is no more Thailand pass. So this is the first step of cancellation of the Thailand pass. However, for the foreigner, the Thailand pass are still required. But the good news because the Thailand pass now will be instant issue the QR code. So details on this video. So if you're just meeting us first time, don't forget to subscribe. So let's take a look in more detail right now. This rule will be starting from the 1st of June, which is less than 10 days from now on. So from the 1st of June, for the Thai people who living abroad and willing to enter to Thailand, no need to apply for the Thailand pass. And of course, no need for insurance because for Thai, they are already live off and in the past periods of the regulation. That means if you are Thai and you're entering to Thailand, no more Thailand pass requirement and no more insurance as well. What do you need to know about when you enter to Thailand? When you enter to Thailand, you will be the custom and the disease control will checking with you, will checking random check to you about the temperature because you will come in separate lane between Thai people and the foreigner. But let me tell you now from the statistics, Thai people are already about 12 to 20% each day of arrival. The rest 80% are foreigners, so welcome. We're receiving more number of the tourists and the expat coming back to Thailand a lot right now at this period. So when after you arrive in Thailand, there are separate lane between foreigner and the Thai people. You go Thai people go here and the separate lane for the foreigner. Now for Thai people you are fine now. You don't need to do Thailand pass. You don't need to do an insurance, and when you coming is random for ATK. For the ATK that you might need to be test on the arrival on the temperatures. And if you are detected, you need to go to the hospital or hospital and still available in Thailand. And now next one is for foreigner. For foreigner, I will be separating on two types with fully vaccinated and unvaccinated. For the fully vaccinated, right now, you still need the insurance at this stage. From the latest news that they have announced, from the 1st of June, the foreigner still required for the Thailand pass. But they make it more easier to make a Thailand pass. And the current rule, you need to wait for maximum like 48 hours, but maybe some cases that you might get it right away, instant QR code. But from 1st of June, you will get instant QR code after you have registered and you already receive the QR code and the system will create you a QR code right away. That means you don't need to wait for another 48 hours. And another thing is insurance of 10,000 USD, the cover still remain. And if you would like to purchase the insurance in a very good price, you can contact us in here. At the moment, there are special deals that are available online. Feel free to check it out in our link below down there. So what about the unvaccinated? For unvaccinated, now the Thai government have cancelled the AQ alternative quarantine accommodation at all. So there is no more quarantine for unvaccinated. So what you need to do, there are two choices for unvaccinated. You can do RT PCR test 72 hours before your departure, or after your arrival, you showing the ATK test kit within 72 hours. So that means that either ATK test kit before your departure or RT PCR test before your arrival. Same thing, if you test positive, you will be required to go to the hospital. So this is the last curve, last stage of the Thailand pass. Independent on the regulation. We had so much in the past 2 years. We had visa, we had COE, we gone through many things for in the past 2 years. Now we're going to back. It's about another 2%, okay, that we got still at the Thailand pass and the insurance. But I'm sure after June, we're talking about July, that's what they have planned before, will be no more of the entry rules of regulation, same as they have planned schedule. That means this month, for the whole month, the more tourism will be coming, the more tourists will be welcome to more tourists to coming to Thailand. The regulation will be more easier, no need to wait for the Thailand part. There will be issue very easy, and you don't need to upload the flight or anything. So you get QR code right away. And also the insurance you can purchase is online. So this is a great news that I would like to sharing with you today. Very important thing that you still need to uploading your vaccines into the Thailand pass. So you have insurance and you have the vaccine as well. But the vaccine you can only upload for a second dose. And because the system has the AI to detect your vaccine code, so that's why they can issue you the QR code immediately after you have registered. So this one, they have the system that's checking your vaccines. And as I promised you that I have some good news, a lot of you are still asking and still querying. A lot of you already entered to Thailand. You are in Thailand and you want to stay longer in Thailand. This is a good tip that I have checked with the immigration today about the extension for 60 days. They are still available. Yeah, this is very good news that I would like to share with you. If you want to extend your visa, please take a look at my next video that I have checked with you. And also they have changing the place of extension the visa that I have been, and I will sharing with you in my next video tomorrow. So if you have not subscribed yet, so don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss my video next one that I would like to sharing you with the new place, new way, new for the extension your visa, and a good news that you can extension for another 60 days. So if you would like to contact us for your help, please take a look at the link below and welcome to email us. Thank you for watching today and have a great day, and I hope that I can see you soon in Thailand. Take care. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ